going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. In today's video we are going to be completing the rest of the install for the Competition Werkes exhaust package. So here is the cat delete pipe. Okay, we also blued it a little bit. If you don't follow my Instagram, go do that now. So currently we have the this chamber delete from Competition Werkes along with the Pro Race pipe. So we are going to be taking out the factory cat. As you can see, it sits right here. So what I'm probably going to do is, since everything's just mated up here, probably just going to remove this piece from the actual cat, drop it down, and install the new cat delete. So in a prior video, if you haven't seen, we went ahead and installed the Powertronics Fuel X, and the reason why I was waiting to do the cat delete was for that, piggyback ECU, so the bike wouldn't run lean and stuff. So it'll have some more fuel and be able to compensate for the cat being missing. But let's go ahead and get started on today's install. Okay, and just like that, this is out. It's a 10 on this side, 8 on this side, and then you got an Allen key. What size is this bad boy? And then a 6mm for this clamp. And then now we need to go to the other side of the bike and start to unclamp. There's a clamp back there. I'll show you real quick. Let me get on the other side of the stand. So what we're going to do is we're going to move this black piece here, okay, and then remove this flange here, and then yeah, the cat should be able to just fall right out through that hole. Super simple. That's another reason why I kind of did it backwards. One for the ECU, and then two, being able to remove the cat from this section right here. It's going to be super simple. The two black screws for this guard right here, we use the 5/32, and then to get this clamp off here, we're going to use the 6mm, which is the same size we used on the chamber delete down there to drop the other part of the exhaust. Literally less than 5 minutes, and I had the whole exhaust torn down from the cat. Like I said, took out this exhaust bracket here, and then literally dropped it right down here. So super simple. So let's go ahead and get the new Competition Werkes CAT. Let's go ahead and fit it up. Oh my God, this bike is going to be so loud. My neighbors are going to love this. So this is definitely going to go something like that, I believe. Yeah, I don't think, there ain't no way it goes the other way. No, definitely doesn't go the other way. I should not be a moron like me. Okay, this is how this is gonna go. This is how it's gonna sit. So let me get this hanger, not a hanger, but exhaust bracket back on, and then we're ready to throw this thing back on and fire this up. God bless. Leave a comment down below if this is gonna be way too loud. All right, here is the first look of the Competition Werkes cat delete. I'm gonna leave this clamp a little bit loose, and we're gonna go ahead and fit the other side of the exhaust on now. All right, here is everything put back together. My girlfriend gave me a hand, and we were able to, I need her to hold this pipe so I get this exhaust clamp back on, but this is probably maybe 15 minutes top. So if you're curious about how to do the chamber delete or the silencer delete, I also have a video on my channel as well. So let's go ahead and get a cold start. Sorry neighbors, let's get it. Oh boy, that is extremely loud. I'm going to take it down the road for a little bit and see what it sounds like, and then I'll report back. But I can already tell you we are definitely going to have to put a muffler with a dB killer silencer on it. So let me go take the bike for a rip real quick. Okay, let me just say this. I just got done riding the Duke with the full Competition Werkes CAT delete, chamber delete, silencer delete, whatever you want to call it, with the Pro Race exhaust. And I'm going to tell you right now, this is not going to stay on here too long. This is extremely too loud. And I'm not going to lie, like 7,000, 8,000 RPMs. It's like literally like ear piercing inside my helmet. So it is way too loud. So do yourself a favor if you're running this exact same setup. I'm gonna go with the Competition Werkes slip on. It's a little pricey, but man, this is just way too loud. If you were to just do the Pro Race exhaust, just the actual muffler, and leave the rest of the exhaust stock, I think you'll be happy with that sound. But this is just way too loud. Sounds good, but it's just not. It's not super enjoyable to listen to. There's no real way for me to. I don't even think if I were to try to record the audio, if I was like wearing my GoPro in the helmet, I don't even think you'd be able to hear me talk. That's how loud this thing is. Even at like highway speeds, especially if you're going like 55, like 60, even on like D-cell, man, this thing is just god awful. I'm sure everybody around me that I'm riding with on the road are just like, my god, this guy's obnoxious. So definitely going to go ahead and place my order for the Competition Werkes slip-on. But anyways, thank you all so much for stopping to the channel today. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.